Rocket Pat here. Alright guys, Sunday morning. I got a new chore. The 86 Monte Carlo SS has got a little problem with the door. That it's been there since I've had the car, but it's just been getting progressively worse. And it's time to get working on it because I don't have much choice now. I spent, I don't know, probably 10-15 minutes trying to get the door open, and I've already broken the inside door handle off. But let me show you what the problem is, and this is what I'm going to be working on today. Seems to have had a problem over here on this side of the car. I got a lot of Bondo that's starting to flake off all over, all the way up the sail panel. I don't understand why it's all the way up the sail panel, but it is. That's one of the problems, but the biggest problem I'm having today is, yeah, that striker's had an issue, and it's now to the point where it's completely fallen out. So I'm gonna have to do something with this today, and what I'm thinking about doing is just going ahead and cutting this square completely out and welding. I don't know, I really need to come all the way over because I don't know, man, because it's gonna be weak no matter what I do unless I replace this whole panel. I don't have time to replace this whole panel. So somehow I'm gonna cut this out because there's no way I'm gonna be able to weld this crap. And I need to get this out of here to get all this Bondo. It's got Bondo on top of it. But let's see if we can take a look down inside and see what we got going on. Because I thought that maybe this car was gonna need a quarter panel, but I am happy to see that there is, right here, we've got 3 drill and tugs. Like, it's got a crease. If you look real carefully, there's a line. You can see it all the way up to there if you carefully look, and then it goes right through those 3 holes. And then up in here there's 3 more little ones up there where they pulled it up at the wheel opening, at the top of the wheel arch. So I don't know what's going on there, and it looks like maybe the inner wheel tub is bent in right there at that corner, but I don't think that's affecting it out here. I still don't understand why they have so much Bondo on this, but it started falling off. It was flaking off. I had to pull a big chunk off of it, so now it's gonna be, we're gonna do something with it. But today's project, like I said, is just gonna be this, so I can get the door where it opens and closes right. I don't know how well it's gonna come out, but the first thing I gotta do is cut that out and get it out of there and grind it down and get it clean so that I can put fresh metal on there and hope somehow, some way. I guess what I'm gonna have to do is mark where I need to put that hole. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. Anyway, that's what I gotta tackle. Anyway, y'all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking, and I'm gonna turn some scorpions on or something, man. I'm gonna get grinding it down over here. So y'all have a good day. I'll talk to y'all when I got some progress on this bad boy right now. Talk to y'all later. Y'all keep rocking and rolling.